Okay, folks, I'm back with the second part of organizing your notes in Noodle Tools video. And this one I'm going to deal with color coding of note cards. So as you see from before, I have all my note cards just kind of willy-nilly on the desktop. Not totally willy-nilly because I've titled my note cards as to whether they are pro, what I think they're shaping up to be pro for fracking, con, against, or there's some outliers here that I think of as sort of a my own thinking. What do we do moving forward? Could be part of a conclusion or a lead into a conclusion. So this is what I have on my desktop. I've also created 3 piles. I found a couple more background cards, so I slid those in since my the last video. But anyway, I want to show you how to color code now. So I have right here, I'm going to color code these note cards. A couple of them are positive implications of fracking for the economy and economic growth. So I've decided I want to, those are both pro, but I want to group them into one category of pro or a subcategory of pro. So I'm going to color code those with I think I'm going to choose green because economic growth. So I'm going to highlight those. And I'm going to go to tags this time, tags. And one of my options in tagging is color tagging. So I'm going to color tag, code these with a green for yes, positive economic growth as one of the pros of fracking. So tag color green. And there I have them. Okay, now I want to, this is a mistake I've made and I'm going to try to head you off at the pass so you don't make the same mistake. I'm going to highlight those, highlighting meaning those broken line surrounding the cards as being part of the highlighting. I'm going to uncolor code or unhighlight those. One of the positives of fracking is that it's efficient. So it's an efficient method of getting a lot of gas out to the surface. So I'm going to, for efficiency, I'm going to use another color. Okay, and I guess, what color do I want for efficiency? Maybe yellow, I don't know, orange. Orange is good. Okay, so that is a positive for fracking for the efficiency part of it. And then we have lots of gas in this country that is unmined, untapped. And so on the availability moving forward, maybe we shouldn't shut out this idea of fracking, even though granted, there are maybe some concerns. It's available, and so that's a positive. So maybe I'll choose again, I unhighlighted all the other cards because I don't want to switch their color, which I would do if they were highlighted. So I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to make the availability color, let's see, what color do I want for that? That could be blue. Okay. Okay, so now I have 3 subcategories of pro or support, and I would go ahead and color tag these other cards as well, depending on what general subcategory of pro or con they fit into. And then I would just go ahead and slide these into support or pro. And now I see I have this kind of annoying how they do that, but to efficiency, availability. There we have it. Okay, so now, I don't know why that did that. It's funny. Okay, there we go. So, all right, and you can do that with all the rest of your cards too. And then you'll have, some con cards, and then you might have a few outliers here, or you can create a separate category, my thinking, my thoughts, moving forward, something like that, and create a pile for those cards too. But, well, there you are. I hope that's been helpful, and I'll see you on the flip side.